Sophia built a personal finance channel out of one promise. Tell people the truth about money that nobody told her. 3 years of budgets and payoff spreadsheets, and 400,000 people who finally felt less alone with their bills. So, she built her own course, sold through her own website. Her followers signed up, typed in what they earned, what they owed, the money goals they were too embarrassed to say out loud, and paid with their cards. She never thought twice about the tools running underneath it. The letter came by email on an ordinary Wednesday, sitting between a sponsor reply and a student question. Dear Mrs. Reyes, our client enrolled on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired, a script that recorded every keystroke on your enrollment form, your checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it disappear, $34,750 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Sophia almost laughed it off. Her little site? She built it on a normal platform the way everyone does. So she ran a scan of her own website and she watched it happen. The moment her enrollment page loaded, before a single person clicked accept, 16 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on her intake form, her followers typing their income, their debt, their card number, and a script quietly copying all of it to a server she had never heard of. That is what gutted her. These were people who trusted her with the numbers they hid from their own families. The shame, the panic, the private math of a life. And her own website had been handing those numbers to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. Her lawyer was blunt. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands. $34,750. That was most of what the course had cleared all year. It was the buffer she told her own students to build. It was a punch straight to the gut of everything she preached. But sitting there, Sophia realized the fear had an answer. She could see exactly what her site sent, and when, the same thing they had scanned. She did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. She could face this knowing what was true and make her people's trust mean something again. Sophia had earned every follower by being honest about money when it was hard. And the thing that nearly cost her all of it was invisible, running quietly on her own website every single day. Right up until she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information